In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send rich text emails with Mailerlite. Whether you're stepping into email marketing for the first time or looking to enhance your existing campaigns, rich text emails can add a layer of professionalism and style to your messages. So, let's dive right in and explore the process together. First off, you'll want to head over to the Mailerlite website. If you're not familiar, Mailerlite is a fantastic platform for creating emails that your audience will love. Once you arrive at the homepage, look for the login option. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your credentials, but for a quicker access, you can simply use the sign in with Google option if that's available to you. It's a handy feature that saves time and effort. After logging in, you'll be in your Mailerlite dashboard, which is the command center for all your email campaigns. From the dashboard, locate and click on Campaigns. This is where all your email endeavors take shape. Next, spot the Create Campaign button and give it a click. This will bring up options for different types of campaigns you can run, and for this particular tutorial we'll select Regular Campaign. At this stage you need to provide a name for your campaign. Think of something descriptive that will help you identify it later. Once you've named your campaign, it's time to settle on a compelling subject line for your email. This is important because it's the first thing your audience will see, so make it engaging and relevant. Now that your campaign is shaping up, it's time to select your recipients. Click on Click to add your recipients and then choose All Active Subscribers. This will ensure your carefully crafted email reaches everyone in your list who is active and likely interested in your message. After selecting your audience, go ahead and click Select to confirm your choice. Moving forward, click on Next Content. You will be presented with options for creating your email content. Choose Start from Scratch to have full control over your design, and then click on Rich Text Editor. The Rich Text Editor is where your creativity can run wild. Type your message, add any styling you need, and make sure your email looks exactly as you envisage. As you work on your email, you have options to adjust the email width, explore various email settings, and edit the font to align with your brand or message tone. Once you are satisfied with how everything looks, click Done Editing to finalize your content. Finally, the last step in this journey is to click on Send. This action will dispatch your newly created rich text email to your selected recipients, allowing you to engage with your audience in a polished and professional manner. Thank you for following along. I hope this guide helps you create beautiful and effective emails with Mailerlite. Happy emailing!